You see the return of Annie. You even person wey collect person husband, e not dope reach Annie wey im collect husband from. Collect person husband, you still don't have peace. Like the way she take run, the way Natasha took up that son name, like it's like she has been waiting forever for Annie to like release, you know, to let go of that name. And again, Annie and Two-Face are still officially married. Like they are not done yet. So stop running. The name go reach your hand. Get patient. I like the way Annie came out of the situation. This situation was meant to break her down. It was meant to kill her. But you see how she came back? That's it. Like as young as Natasha, there's no way she would tell me that she couldn't get a man for herself, like her own man. Because I haven't seen any video that stated that or, you know, suggested that she have been married before. No, and she's young. She's a young woman. But you see, you know, where person not there, where person go there where they where you know they go the hungry, and that's this Natasha case. And now she's just making fool out of herself by trying to drag the name. Like she have dropped the name for you. You can go to hell with that name. That's your if that's your problem. You can go to hell with the name. It's just so painful that she's from Benin. You know, that's the only thing that just, you know, get me more upset about all the situation. Like, not just that she's from Benin. She's educated, like someone that's working in the Parliament. That's a great achievement, right? But just misusing it like this is something I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm just glad that Annie was able to come out of it. You know, all the pain that was planned, you know, she was able to survive it. Because it's not every woman that will be able to rise so fast. Because that thing is... Thank God for her life, you know. I like the way she doesn't bother. And I just pray that those demonic bloggers that will be looking for daily bread, they shouldn't go and start asking silly questions, giving those Natasha and Two-Face those attention that Natasha is craving for, not Two-Face actually. The lady is craving for attention. Anyways guys, I'm done. I honestly wanted to do this video and I wanted to do a live video while doing this hair, but I couldn't. I don't know if I'm not scared. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. And what do you think about my hair? Bye.